Pilots ready for flight. Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go!
It's time to see what our pre-programmed mode can do in match number 43 over on the Blue Alliance. Looks like 5104. BreakerBots trying to get that autonomous gear delivered, and over on the red we have a successful delivery, I believe, by Robodoors on the Red Alliance, earning them an extra 20-point bonus. They're up to 75 on the Blue Alliance. Should be at 55 once they get rotor number 1 started with their recovery or their reserve gear. It's only a 20-point difference in this match once they get those rotors up and running. Red Alliance already has their second rotor gears in place, and now second rotor up. Not quite running yet on the Red Alliance. They have to spin those gears for long enough to trigger the rotor, and now there they go on the Red Alliance. They're up to 15. Blue Alliance with 55 as soon as they get their first rotor up and running, and there it is. Red Alliance with a 55, and they've got 2 more gears ready to get rotor number 2 running for the Blue Alliance. That's going to bump them straight up to 95 as soon as they get that rotor number 2 up and spinning on the Blue Alliance. All 3 blue robots over here in that retrieval zone. 5104 BreakerBots trying to grab a gear, but it falls just a bit short out of their machine. 4171 Baybots also looking to grab 1 more gear, and their partners Orion headed back to that blue airship to load in 1 more gear. It's up and in the airship from Orion. All 3 blue robots reunited back in the retrieval zone, trying to grab 1 more gear. Over on the Red Alliance, Robodoors swing over behind that blue airship, grab a gear, and they're on their way back, but they can't get past Orion. They got to go the long way around, and they swing past Orion with some mighty speed. 256 Robo Rams got 1, grabbing it off the ground and lifting that up and onto that peg. Not quite. They got to back out and try 1 more time. Robo Ram is looking to load 1 up, but their alliance partner, the Robodoors, got another 1 loaded up into the red airship. Red airship now has 3 rotors spinning. They're up to 170, and we hit the final 30 seconds. Blue Alliance needs 2 more gears if they want to get that next rotor going, but the final climbs are likely worth more points. 2 red robots are ready for takeoff, pulling them into a lead of 270 in the final 10 seconds. 256. Robo Rams looking to climb up. They've got a hold, and they're also ready for takeoff. 2 seconds remain. 1 and 0. Red has all 3 robots plus 3 rotors. And we do have your official score coming to your screen now. Crossing the finish line first, it's the Red Alliance. Red Alliance 320, Blue Alliance 95.